This is 0.515. And this is 0.545. So it grows 15 thousandths on each side, a total of 30 thousandths wider here than here. Something like that. Going to check something and see how close to the very middle I am. What I've got left on each side. 603. 602. The next thing is I've got clearance between this flat surface and this flat surface. And I got to check and see how parallel these two surfaces are to let me know if I'm in the right position this way, up and down. Alright, I can tell I'm fatter at the back. There's just a lot more resistance on that caliper. But it's close, and I got a feeling that probably this gap between the top and the bottom is probably not parallel. It's probably wider here than it is here, so it makes a tight fit when it goes on. I haven't checked that, but that's my guess. So at the front of this surface I have 1.197. It's getting really windy outside. I think I'm going to go to my house. Oh yeah, that's 30 thousandths. Stuff's falling off the walls outside. That right there is 1.214, and back here it's 1.197. 2.0. It's 15 thousandths fatter back here than it is here, so having a slight taper is a good thing. I'm going to shut this shop down for a little bit and go down and be with my wife and protect my household. We had a pretty good little storm pass over, and doesn't seem to be any damage. Winds are just about 20 and 30 miles an hour right now, but steady. But we made it through the storm. Thank the Lord for that. And I'm going to go down about, oh, I don't know, heavy 1/16 of an inch. I've got to be 1.216. And right now, I'm about 3/16 bigger than that. So I'm going to start back in the back and cut this. See, I'm dealing with this cut right here, and it's got a ramp up, a little slope right there. And so I'm going to start at this and then come out to this and then ramp it up and then come over to this. I haven't measured this yet, but I know I have to do at least this much, so I'm going to do what I can. Like Roosevelt said, do what you can with what you got where you're at now. I like it. As soon as it touches the back, it tightens up. I like that. Where this bottom tang, it comes back in here so far, and then it ramps up to this dimension. So this goes down. .125 is 1/8, which is right there, which is really close to where I stopped milling. But I got to go down a teeny bit with that. That is real snug. I may have to sand a little bit out of that, but this is just getting me in the ballpark. That's all this is. Now I've got to take the middle out of this thing to allow for all this bracket and the spring holder and the spring itself. And that's about 3/8, I think. That is 375. Yeah, that's exactly 3/8. And that comes back, if I lay that where it goes, it comes out to right there. Top to bottom is a 3/8. Completely take all that out right there. And that allows for my hammer. See, your hammer travels in that space as well. That thing's still in the middle. There's no reason it shouldn't be, the mill shouldn't be still set in the middle. It's time to take it out, put it in the vise, try to place it in there, and then work on it with a chisel. This is the first test slide in.